What is up, guys? It is I, Mr. Graves, here, back again at you with another video. Hope you have a good day, blessed day. Today we're going to be talking about power lead system, how to get endless free leads, how to create subdomains for that endless free lead system. All right. So apparently you're already here. So first and foremost, I'm going to the getting started. Because I need to update the companies I promote inside of here. So hit the red button. Alright. So we got SMS phone leads. Where's SMS phone leads? Do I have that? Let me get that link really quickly. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to websites. And let's do manage subdomains. Well, let's just view all domains. While that loads up, let's log in to SMS leads really quickly. Copy my link. SMS. As you can see, they have a lot of different companies here, from A to Z, from 1 to Z, from 1 to Z. You know, so it starts at. Alright, so keep that in mind as well. Your company will probably be up if you are in a work from home, like anything along those lines. Like, it doesn't even have, I'm pretty sure they have a lot of companies here, so they should have yours up here too. So take a look at that when you get a chance to get this free lead system, endless free leads. Let me just paste this real quick. Alright, cool. So let's go back to the subdomains. I have two. This is neat here. This is very neat how you can do that. Okay, so what you want to do is, once you have activated your free lead system, what you want to do, we want to go to manage subdomains. That's what you want to do. That's what you want to do. Okay, and then I'm gonna just put free lead system. Free leads. Just free leads, yeah. Create. Cool, so now I can actually assign a web page to this domain. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Or I can create my own. I'm gonna use an existing one for my web pages. For my library web page. Okay, so since this is just a free lead system, we're gonna keep it basic. Keep it real basic. Alright, so let me just choose one of these capture page. So now what we're going to do, we're going to assign a capture page to our free lead system. Okay, use that one. So many options. Which one to choose? Promote lead lightning in your primary. There you go. There you go. So you can promote any business that you choose when you do that. See, what does this one say? This one says new $7 phone returns. I like this one. I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna use that one. Alright, and click save my choice. Alright, so let's go to the website. Free lead system. Get your free lead system here. Free access. This is clean. This is really clean. New funnel that they don't want you to know. Yes, this is very clean. Let's see what's on the other side. Do I have to put in my information? Yes, I do. Cool. So Just put in this code. See what this other page looks like. Okay, it's just lead lightning. This will do for now. Yeah, this will do. Yeah, so that is how you create a free lead system with the Power Lead system. All right, so that is very, very basic. I really want you guys to see the value in this system right here. They got lots of training for you, and you can. And the Max Steingard's Endless Free Leads is a very good training because Max Steingard is considered to be like the father of like social media, like marketing or something like that. So yeah, this is a very good training. So really to take a look at that. Also, let's go to the lastyearbeingbrokeplan.com and show you guys the full system before I sign out here. Oh yeah, and make sure you guys follow me on Instagram because I'm very active on Instagram. When you upload a post to Instagram and you put your tags in there, that really gives you a lot more exposure to your business. And then when you also in like people's comment sections, like when you comment on like a famous person's post, people are going to see it. So that's very powerful as well. So yes, this is the Power Lead System comp plan. If you want to check that out. And yes, you get the marketing system. You get you get a business phone for $20 that is automated for you, and the personal development section that is Global Information Network. All it is just it's audios to help you with your mindset. It's very powerful. When I first heard it, the audio that you're going to read here in the third section, it really changed my whole entire outlook on the way I think and moving forward. And of course, you got your traffic here and more training for you as well. So if you guys want to know how to make money online passively, and if you want to be your own boss, then links will be in the description. See you guys on the inside. Peace out.